I decided to make a video because I actually get asked this a lot, so I'm going to make one for you that I can share with anyone. So first and foremost, how do I do what it is I do? I use the web version of Raid Helper. I don't use the in Discord version. I just have way more things that I can do here and do it far more easily. So I'm going to start with an existing event that I've already created. So I'll show that, and then I'll show what it looks like if I create a brand new event. So from an existing event in your Discord, you can just click the web view and at the bottom of the sign up, and it'll bring you here. Um, so how do I make my bot send out a 15-minute warning? I just go to advanced, and where it says force reminders, you just type true, and then reminder is true. Oops, true. Um, and that's how you get the reminder, and then you can click save, and that will send out a reminder 15 minutes before things start to anyone who signed up. Um, And how do I direct people to the specific raid channel? You just click the little speaker icon there and then select the appropriate channel um, from your um, from your Discord list and click save. So that's how you do that. Now, a few other things if you're not familiar with this view. So I'll just start with um, some of the easy ones. If I need to alter, say I'll just change it myself, I click the little pencil. I can change the name of anyone. I can do this for anyone. I can change their spec, including I can mark them as late. I can put them on bench, tentative, or absent, or I can just flat out remove them. I can also choose to notify them of the change. Um, so that'll send them a DM in Discord, and then so if I choose the class, I can also choose the spec, obviously, and then I can also give the reason why I'm making the change. So I'll just click cancel on that. So super useful to be able to do with this interface. And then of course there is the raid plan, so I can select that. Um, and of course, it'll take its sweet time to do that while I'm recording. Um, but I'll just relaunch that. There we go. So there's a lot of things that I can do here. Um, if I just click a name, it goes in. I can also drag and drop them into a specific spot. If I click them and then click another spot, I can move them around. So if you got a lot of people, that can sometimes be easy. Just click one name and then, the spot where you want it to go in the particular group. Once I build the raid comp, I can announce it to a particular channel um, and ping all included members. Um, so that's a handy feature. You can also have comp profiles. Some of it might require premium. I don't have premium, so or you can just take a screenshot. You can also export the data. So if you use Method Raid tools, for example, you can do that, and you can just export. And there's different features that you can use there, so that way whenever one you can just do an automatic invite, and it'll invite only the people that you put in the comp. If you're using Method Raid tools, it'll only send invites to those people, and then if you've built the comp a specific way, that data export will put everybody in the groups that you want them to in Method Raid tools. That's a whole other process, but it just makes life simple. One click invites and one click group setups. Um, using a really nice interface on the web versus dragging and dropping everybody in game. Now that raid comp doesn't really matter. You can also muck with your like your settings here, and determine who else has the ability to make these edits and how many groups you want, yada yada yada. So yeah. Now, if I go back to dashboard and I want to create a new event, so I can choose the date and the time. So let's say I'll just do 2100, and I'm going to choose my channel. So Sunday, and then I'm going to choose the new Wrath template so that DKs can sign up. And let's do, I don't know, let's do a Vash, plus Leo, SSC, kill. And then I can put whatever, message I want in here. And then maybe I'll just do Tsunami Talisman. There we go. I can select which roles I want it to ping, who I want it to mention. Here I can select the voice channel. And again, I can say, well, I only want my guild and those we consider friends to be able to sign up. And then some of the other settings here. So if you want to make an announcement in a separate channel, or if you want to set a reminder, you can just put that as true. And then for settings, if you want to limit rules at all, you can do that here. And then under advanced settings, I just like to change the font. I like it to show up white. And then you can also select alt names so that it sends a message for people to change their name if they're coming from other Discords, so they use their in-game name. So that's the alt names. Mention mode, you can toggle that off and on, and that will instantly show in your Discord people's actual Discord names if you're wanting to DM them. So I sometimes toggle that on and off if I'm doing a pug run. The other cool feature to use is vacuum mode. So if you check that, it will delete every message that comes before this one when you select create event, except other events. And so I use that in mind because the only thing I want in my sign up channel for that particular sign up is the sign up. I don't want tons of stuff in there so that people have to scroll to find the sign up. Deadline, you can set that so that people can only sign up. Like if it's 0, it means they can sign up even after the event has happened. And then setting the duration. So you can see right now it's just showing 9 p.m. But if I put 210, okay, so there's 3.5 hours. Etc. You just have to think in minutes. So 120 minutes, there's 2 hours, kind of thing. 60 minutes, 1 hour, etc. So yeah, that is. And if you get the premium version, you can just create templates that you just populate all this stuff and don't have to check it every time. But I already pay for enough things, so I just set this all up when I can.